Dr. Mark Janghese here with your Science Moment. Today I'm going to talk about skin and facials. It occurred to me, I think a lot about color vision because of my discovery in 2006. The reason we evolved color vision, we have red-green that the other mammals don't have, and it's actually optimized to see blood under the skin. It allows you to see oxygenation of hemoglobin in particular. This is what lets you see the red-green differences when you get blushed and blanches, the differences between the oxygenated, life-filled parts of the skin and the less oxygenated. And in the extreme, it's in the case of veins, which is why my company, Vino Optics, has technology which is for medical personnel to see these differences even more strongly, to see veins, and just other kind of technology like our FreeX glasses and our color blindness glasses, which augments both colorblind and normal people's ability to see these emotion states and health states on bare skin. So I think too much. I think a lot about skin and beauty and color. And one thing that it occurred to me, one thing that's always bothered me, is that women's foundation, women's products, the cosmetic industry is all about covering up the face. It's all about blocking the view of these signals underneath. And that's missing the point. I think people aren't consciously aware of the fact that beautiful skin is seeing through the skin to the blood underneath. Skin is transparent. Every time you get a bruise, you see the bruised blood underneath, right? That's because your skin is transparent. You don't typically notice it, you just think of it as skin, but it's not. The red parts, all of these, when you squeeze and you let go, when you squeeze and you let go, you realize, oh, it's transparent, through which I'm seeing the blood. When you see a human, you're really seeing their blood and state. When you cover it up, now right in the mirror when you're doing it, you might say, okay, I see, it looks good from this angle, because you're getting a little bit of the cosmetic blush in the right place, so it's sort of mimicking the kinds of natural blushes that one has in real life, but it's mimicking it in the way that a doll or a mannequin mimics it, which is creepy. You're not seeing the actual signals that come from skin, and that's what makes beautiful skin. And some friend of mine was doing some PR with a facial company, a company that just does facials. They're all about cleaning bare skin to make it more beautiful. And it occurred to me, that's the only part of the industry, of the skin industry, as far as I'm really aware, which is about revealing it, revealing these beauty signals, which are inherently the key thing that we look at on skin. It's not really about the skin at all, it's about the blood and state underneath it. Don't cover it up, let it be visible. That's what beauty is about. And connected to this is also why exercise is so important. As you get older, your capillaries tend to get less visible than young, vibrant skinned blood, right? But if you do hardcore exercise, really hard exercise, not just lifting, but lifting and hard cardiovascular stuff, this is what then keeps capillaries continue to form at the surface of your skin. It allows these blood signals to be more visible to others, and that's what keeps skin youthful. Right? That was your science moment. If you're interested in color and skin and the connection between all of these sorts of things, take a look at my earlier book, Vision Revolution. And also check out our technology at Vino Optics, which is all about augmenting these signals for various different kinds of groups, whether it's vein finders for nurses and paramedics, or colorblind folk, or you and me and everybody that you know of just having sunwear that optimizes the signals that come from other humans. And that was your science moment.